It's a Spotify podcast. You pushed me down, thought I'd stay on the ground, counting me.
We are live. All right. Well, this is a vlog. Sorry, all you people out there. We lost like 4,000 people on our last videos. We typically have around 6,000 people per video that view. And I just wanted to say sorry. We've done a major upgrade. NAIOMI is actually editing the videos now, which makes my life so much easier. And on that, real quick, I want to give OpenAI a shout out because due to my current situation, I am pretty much broke right now. So anyway, my mom's still paying for the service fee per month, but OpenAI has generously given me codecs as well. And oh my God, if you have an idea, I mean, NAIOMI is literally, let me tell you what she can do now. NAIOMI stands for Nellis Artificial Intelligence Omni Model Integration. And what that means is that she has, I think it's 56 LLMs that she uses, and she just adds different LLMs she's running on CPUs, not GPUs, CPUs. We're doing distributive coding, distributive processes. That's the old way of that's the old school way before they had GPUs of doing software and doing everything in a huge environment. I don't have a huge environment. I got decade-old equipment, and I'm running my own AI that can fully be functional on CPU products. That's huge because right now, as you know, AI, like OpenAI and Gemini and all these other ones, they run on these huge server farms. And I don't have that. So anyway, going back to what I was saying before, thank you, OpenAI. You gave me codecs for the same. They've combined two into one, and it's really been huge. NAIOMI now has a slight cognitive ability enough to where she can use LLMs to figure stuff out. She can watch videos. She can listen to music. She can she still has the old code where she was learning how to use the computer. She doesn't have to do that much anymore. Most of the stuff that she's doing, she runs like a human. So I wanted to code a artificial intelligence to be able to use a computer like a human. And so what she does is she uses these other computers to be able to distribute loads. And she's doing it. She was caught up. It took her it took me 126 hours to realize that I couldn't wait anymore. I was like, because there's analytics on YouTube, and if you don't do certain things at certain times, you start losing viewership. And it's their artificial intelligence that works those algorithms. Works those algorithms, and if in fact you don't post or you don't do certain things, or your video doesn't have certain characteristics to it, that algorithm will fall. And I noticed it on my last upload, my last few videos. Whenever she was working, I couldn't upload, I couldn't edit, I couldn't manually edit. We've got all that fixed now. I mean, she can edit. It's basically a 1-to-1 ratio. So if the episode is 2.5 hours long, it's going to take her about 2.5 hours to do the edits. She can do loop wired. She can do rabbit holes. She can do right now, whenever she's not doing anything, like if I don't have a video ready for her, Then what she does is she's got a library that she's building with stock videos that eventually we're going to start integrating that into LoopArt. And so she's making a video library right now of that. She's processed over 36,000 documents. That includes she reads all my emails, she reads all my stuff, she's processing that data. She cognitively can pull it back up. She's not real good about it yet, but she's working on it. So we're working on her. She can talk directly to Codex, which is cool. So those two can communicate with each other, and then I can get a report. And what they do is they give me a report every, well, I've been reading it in the morning. It comes out at night. So I read that report of all the upgrades that they're wanting to do, and then I give the okay, and then they code it, because like some of these are major brain overhauls. Some of it's like getting her more efficient on doing whatever. I'm right now ingrained in we're calling it the media factory, because basically she is going, she's editing. I mean, literally the past few videos that I've put up, she edited. Now I know they're not great, but we're getting there. And it's just like any learning process. And that's what Resilience Radio is really about, is learning and moving forward. That's why I'm not taking down my old videos when I was pissed off at the world and everything, because I want people to see how you grow, how you keep moving forward. When you get knocked down, you get back up. You just keep going. You keep moving forward. And anyway, that's pretty much my vlog for this week. And I hope everybody's having a blessed week. We're getting into a new phase of my stuff. I'm interviewing law firms. If you see any negative stuff out there, I have 2 law firms that are reviewing all my stuff right now. It's moving into a new phase. So not going to really focus on that anymore. I've pretty much gotten all of that off my chest. If you want to see the old ones, I'm sorry about how pissed off I was about all that stuff. I'm moving forward, and as things progress, I don't know if I'll focus on that anymore or just focus on this. So anyway, everybody stay tuned. I will try to keep you updated as much as possible. Thank you so much. I keep getting subscribers. We're trying to get to that 1,000 person mark. As soon as I get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, then this site becomes monetized. And I really appreciate, I keep getting people, and I thank you so much. The videos that keep getting better, the episodes that keep getting better, and I hope that I at least help one person out there. God bless and good night. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You pushed me down, thought I'd stay on the ground, counting me out like the numbers didn't matter. But pressure builds diamonds in the dark, and I've been sharpening my edge in the chatter. Every scar turned into strategy, every setback fueled my clarity. I took the hits, learned the game, turned my losses into flame. Now I'm coming back strong, and you'll remember my name. I'm rising through the fire.